Hi, I'm Nicole with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton, Ohio, and I just picked up my new 2-week board and train, a 5-month-old golden retriever puppy named Noah. Noah's owner sent him to us for a couple of reasons. Mainly, it's to get a handle on that puppy energy and that puppy excitement. He's pretty young, and they really just wanted to set him up for success for the rest of his life, starting with basic obedience. He also had a little bit of a resource guarding issue, so we wanted to tackle that and begin to manage that a little bit better. So let's go pull him out, and I can't wait to show you his progress after 2 weeks. Thanks, bye.
In these next few clips, I'll be running through the commands that Noah will learn over the next 2 weeks to get an idea of what he might already know. And you can see when I recall Noah, he does start to come my way, but it's more out of excitement rather than him understanding the recall command. He does demonstrate that he understands the sit command, although he's not very stable in it and he doesn't do it every time I ask. And he's demonstrating he does not understand the down command. In this clip, I'm asking Noah to place on this cot, and you can see he's really not interested in doing what I'm asking. He's more interested in sniffing around, but when he does get onto the cot, you can see he isn't lacking much confidence here, although he will not give me a sit on the cot, and he's also not very stable. In this last clip, I'm walking with Noah for the first time on the leash, and he is surprisingly pretty strong for his age, meaning he's only going to get stronger. He is a pain to walk as well because he's just cutting in front of me. He's really not paying much attention to me, and you can see here that he gets himself stuck in these silly situations because he doesn't pay attention.